afternoon, fellow bowlers. My name is Andre Nodia, and I'm honored to have been selected to skip one of the veteran teams on behalf of Natal Inland Bowling Association for the upcoming inter-district competition. My main club is Kokstad Bowling Club. With regards to the subject of what it means to win together, my view is as follows. We are playing a game of fours where each player has to contribute 25% of each end played. Bearing in mind that no matter how well each player plays, the head changes most of the time when the jack is moved, so the responsibility becomes that of the next player. The head might be more difficult to penetrate, and this is where the team spirit and encouragement is very important. We must always keep in mind that each and every bowler participating is just a human being and not a machine or a robot. Mistakes are made, but also very successful shots are played. But the main aim is not to criticize any of our team members' performance, instead rather encourage them to do better with the next bowl. None of us will deliberately go down and play a bad bowl. To win a game of bowls not only requires skillful play, but more than anything, being like brothers to each other. Positive attitude, positive comments, and most of all, praise to your fellow bowler when he delivered a good bowl that can make a difference to the game. There will only be one winner in this competition, and we all endeavour to achieve that goal as a dedicated team. But we must also, as a team, be able to accept a lost game and see it as just another experience to try and improve with the next game. In conclusion, to be able to win together, the team must act as one and continue to be kind and appreciative to one another before, during, and after the game. The inter-districts for the veterans are hosted this year by Western Province Bowls Association, and we are participating in the Blues section. I'm looking forward to meeting old friends there and make lots and lots of new friends. All the best and good bowling to all.